I told you a brand new YouTube channel focused on faith-based content exploded from 0 to over 50,000 subscribers in just 1 month? Sounds wild, right? But it's real. And the secret behind their success isn't flashy editing or viral gimmicks. It's surprisingly simple and deeply effective. Their very first upload already has over 2.2 million views. And no, it's not some overproduced masterpiece. It's long-form storytelling rooted in biblical principles, emotional encouragement, and personal transformation, all told through simple yet captivating animated visuals that keep people watching. They're not chasing trends. They're creating timeless, uplifting content that connects with people on a spiritual and emotional level. And yes, the channel is monetized. With the kind of consistent engagement they're pulling in, they're likely earning over $5,000 a month in ad revenue alone. And that number? It's only going up as their videos continue gaining traction. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can build something similar using free tools and AI. I'll walk you through the full process of creating content that mirrors the style and impact of this successful channel without needing expensive gear or years of experience. So, stick around until the end, because missing even one piece of the puzzle could mean missing the opportunity your channel's been waiting for. Let's begin with the core idea, your video topic. That's the foundation of everything. And coming up with good ideas can be tough, especially if you're new or struggling to stay consistent. So to make your life easier, I've created a resource, a Google Doc filled with ready-to-use prompts that are specially tailored for spiritual, motivational, and faith-based content. These ideas are inspired by the kind of topics that consistently go viral. You'll find the link in the description, so don't forget to check it out. Now, if you're still watching, I know you're serious about growing your channel, so go ahead and hit that like button. It helps the algorithm push this video out to more creators who need this info too. Next, once you've picked a topic that resonates with you, it's time to craft your script. You can use AI writing tools like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or anything you prefer. Just paste in the prompt. Tell the AI how long you want the script to be. Something short and impactful, like 4 to 6 minutes, usually works great. And then let it generate your script. You'll get a polished, emotionally engaging piece of content that's designed to keep viewers watching till the end. Once your script is ready, it's time to give it a voice. For that, I recommend using an AI voiceover tool like DubDub. It's packed with realistic voice options you can preview and select based on tone, gender, language, and age. Pick one that feels right for your message. Paste in your script, preview it.
What if the silence you're hearing from God is actually the loudest signal that your breakthrough is near?
And once you're happy with the delivery, export the voiceover as an MP3. Now, let's bring your message to life with visuals. But first, we need to generate the right image prompts. Go back to the Google Doc and copy the pre-written prompt for visuals. Paste it into your AI tool and let it craft image descriptions that reflect the emotion, tone, and themes in your script. Then, head to an image generator like Ideogram. Paste in your image prompt, choose 16:9 ratio for YouTube, and generate your visuals. Ideogram will give you multiple options. Choose the ones that align best with your vision and download them. Repeat this for each part of your script until you have a full set of visuals ready to go. Next, you'll want to add background music. For that, use Suno. Sign in, select Instrumental, since we don't want lyrics, and use ChatGPT to help you come up with a suitable music style. Paste that style into Suno, generate the track, listen to a few versions, and download the one that sets the perfect emotional tone without distracting from your message. Now it's time to put it all together. Open your editing software. CapCut is a great free option. Start by importing a clean, neutral background, like a cream color, to serve as your canvas. Then bring in your voiceover. Edit it slightly to remove awkward pauses and make it sound more natural. After that, import your visuals. Sync them with the voiceover and use the masking feature to crop and highlight key parts of each image. Position your images to one side, leaving space for on-screen text. Add your script line by line using a clear, readable font. Animate both text and images subtly to maintain visual flow. Finally, import your background music. Lower its volume so it gently supports your voiceover without overpowering it. Once everything's in place, review your full video, make adjustments where needed, then export it in 4K for the highest quality.
What if the silence you're hearing from God is actually the loudest signal that your breakthrough is near? You've prayed, you've fasted, you've cried out, but heaven feels quiet, and you're starting to wonder if he's even listening. But here's the hidden truth. Some of God's greatest moves begin in complete silence. Before Lazarus walked out of the tomb, there were 4 days of death. Before Jesus calmed the storm, his disciples faced the wind in terror. God's silence isn't his absence, it's often his strategy. He's positioning you, stripping away distractions, testing your faith in the fire where gold is written.
And there you have it, a powerful, engaging YouTube video that looks polished, sounds professional, and connects with viewers on a deeper level. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more breakdowns like this, and drop your questions in the comments. I'm here to help you build your channel with purpose and power.